Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren LaBeouf. Today's video is a tutorial on how I got these really cute curls, and I feel like this would be so great for springtime coming up here. So I'll show you how I got these curls and this little hairstyle. This is another video in collaboration with NuMe hairstyling tools. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you missed my other video that is in collaboration with them, I will have it linked down below. And if you try out this hairstyle, definitely send me a DM on Instagram and show me. I would love to see your recreations of it. This is all going to be about the NuMe hair curler that I will be using. It's very simple to use, and I'll talk more about that in the next few clips. Let's go ahead and get right into the tutorial. Hey guys, I first wanted to tell you the name of this curling wand. It's the 25mm classic curling wand. So to start off with this curling hairstyle, I'm taking pieces from the back of my head to start off with and wrapping it around the barrel. And as you can see, I kind of tend to leave my ends out just so there isn't too much heat on my ends, and I like that look a little bit better. So I'm putting it into my hand and letting it cool just a little bit in my hand and dropping it down. I'm continuing to curl away from my face for at least a few more strands, and then you'll see throughout it I'll do a couple random ones toward my face just to give it more of a messy texture instead of all of the curls going in one direction. And as you can tell, the curls are pretty tight right now, but don't worry about that. We're going to let them cool first and then loosen them up. This curler is called the Classic Curling Wand. It's so easy to use. There's only one little knob on here, so it's not confusing at all. You just turn it on, and this also has gotten rid of a lot of the frizz that I have when I curl my hair, and it just really seems to smooth everything out. It adds a ton of shine, I'm sure you can see. This curler also has a pure tourmaline ceramic barrel, so it's way healthier for your hair than a traditional hair wand. It maintains moisture as well, and it's a very high quality component, and it makes it very safe to use on color treated hair. Love that it's small, compacted, great for travel, and heats up quickly. And then I curl the other side of my head, and as you can see, they're really tight right now. So once they are cooled down, you're going to run your fingers through them to really separate the curls and kind of like massage the hair in between your fingers. And now I'm just starting off with the actual hairstyle. So I'm taking a few pieces to frame my face out, and then I'm taking these two and twisting them away from my face and then twisting them together. I hope that makes sense. So now I'm just adding in more pieces each time. So you can see here I'm adding to the twist, twisting it and putting it back. Then I'm adding once again and twisting in the process. And right now the twist should be pretty tight and pretty close to your head, and we will change that in a little bit. And once you get to the end, you can take little tiny strands and pull them out with your finger and just make your way down the twist. I love the fullness and the thickness this gives to your hair. It's gonna be super cute. Now I'm going to do the same exact thing to the other side. I just pinned the side that I just did just to hold it in place, and we'll get back to it in a second. So I'm taking these two pieces, I'm twisting them around each other and grabbing in new hair each time I twist. It's kind of like a French braid, I guess, like a French twist, if you know what I mean, when you're grabbing hair from your head and putting it in. So I'm going to continue that all the way to the bottom. Now, depending on the thickness of your hair, you might need 2 to 3 bobby pins, just depends on how you feel. But I went ahead and pinned this left side first, and I just pinned it in. You don't have to do anything too crazy perfect because we're going to cover the bobby pin with the right strand here. So you can see the bobby pin is not visible, and I'm trying to pin down and hide every pin that I can. So here I just used 2 bobby pins. If I was going out and kind of going to be doing a lot of things during the day, I would probably use a lot more bobby pins, but this worked for this day. So I hope you guys try out this look. I absolutely loved how it turned out. Alright guys, and that is it. I'll have the discount code so you can get 20% off down below if you choose to purchase anything on their site. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!